Welcome to this video, where you will be introduced to the skills that a mobile app developer must possess to be successful, and tips on how to develop the necessary skills. After watching this video, you will be able to describe the important skills required for mobile app development and explain the continuous learning skills required to advance as a mobile app developer. Developing mobile apps requires a variety of skills, including programming skills, UI/UX design skills, optimization skills, testing and debugging skills, problem-solving skills, and collaboration skills. Let's review each skill in detail. Programming is the most basic skill for a developer. It is important that you, as a mobile app developer, understand how to build functional and visually appealing mobile apps. Programming skills include an understanding of programming languages, mobile development frameworks, and code versioning. Let's delve deeper into each programming skill. Programming languages are the basic tools used to create mobile apps. As a mobile developer, you must have a good grasp of one or more of the languages, like Java, Kotlin for Android, Swift for iOS app development, and JavaScript for cross-platform development. As you learn the languages, ensure you have a good understanding of the programming constructs, like functions, operators, object-oriented programming, inheritance, and so on. Further, gain the required knowledge about responsive designs and cross-platform compatibility. This knowledge will help you while coding to ensure adaptability across devices. In addition, try to engage in coding exercises and work on some small projects. This will help solidify the concepts. Next in programming skills is a good understanding of frameworks that can streamline development and enhance functionality. Familiarize yourself with frameworks such as React Native, Flutter, and Xamarin. These frameworks allow you to write a single code base that is cross-platform compatible and provides a consistent user experience. Learning the frameworks can make you more versatile, as they will give you exposure to different mobile development approaches and methodologies. This exposure, in turn, will help you pick the right tools and approach based on project requirements. Code versioning is also an important skill that every developer must possess. You must be aware of one or more version control systems, VCs. These tools allow you to keep track of changes to your code base, collaborate with other developers, and even revert to previous versions if necessary. Learning to create branches, merge changes, and resolve conflicts is essential for smooth teamwork. Git is a popular tool that helps you keep track of modifications in your code base. GitHub is a platform for storing and collaborating on code stored using Git. Let's now focus on UI/UX design skills. As a mobile app developer, it is crucial to learn about user interface design and user experience design principles. This understanding will help you design and develop intuitive, visually appealing, and user-friendly interfaces. As part of UI/UX design skills, it is also important that you comprehend color theory, typography, and layout design. In addition, you can benefit from knowledge of tools like Sketch and Figma, which you can use to create app prototypes and wireframes, which are visual representations of the app's interface. Optimizing mobile app loading speed and performance is an essential skill for a good user experience. Let's review some mobile-specific constraints where optimization can be beneficial. Low memory. Mobile devices often have limited memory compared to desktops. It is therefore important that you optimize apps to use memory efficiently. Battery usage. Optimize your app to use less battery power, as users may avoid apps that drain their battery quickly. Small screen size. It is important that you optimize the app design to fit various screen sizes and resolutions. Performance on data versus Wi-Fi. Consider how your app performs on cellular data connections versus Wi-Fi, as data speeds and reliability can vary greatly. You may need to optimize your app accordingly. Limited processing power. Mobile devices have less processing power compared to computers. It is therefore critical to optimize coding practices. As a mobile developer, you must have the ability to test, debug, and fix your code. You should be well-versed with unit testing to test individual components of your app to ensure they work correctly, automated testing tools to automate the testing process, manual testing to catch issues that automated tests might miss, and learn how to identify and fix bugs in your code. Problem solving is yet another skill set that a mobile app developer must nurture. Some skills that help with problem solving include critical thinking. You must strive to develop the ability to solve complex problems and find efficient solutions. Understanding algorithms. Enhance your ability to design and implement efficient algorithms. Debugging and fixing code are also part of problem-solving skills. It is very important for a mobile app developer to demonstrate collaboration skills. You must strive to learn and excel in the following: communication skills for effectively communicating with your team members and stakeholders, teamwork skills to work well within a team to achieve common goals, and basic project management skills to keep development on track. Continuous learning and staying current with industry trends are vital in mobile app development. Follow mobile app development blogs, newsletters, and online communities. These sources offer insights into the latest trends, techniques, and best practices. Participate in conferences, workshops, and webinars. These events connect you with industry experts and peers, providing opportunities to learn and network. Next, contributing to open source projects or participating in existing ones provides an opportunity to collaborate with other developers on real-world projects. Another practical learning approach is enrolling in online courses. These courses cover various topics, including responsive design, accessibility, frameworks, and tools. Coding boot camps offer an accelerated route to becoming a mobile app developer. Self-study is an option that demands commitment and self-discipline. In this video, you learned that key skills required for being an effective mobile app developer include programming skills, UI/UX design skills, optimization skills, testing and debugging skills, problem-solving skills, and collaboration skills. As part of programming skills, you should learn about programming languages, mobile development frameworks, and code versioning. Problem-solving skills include critical thinking, understanding algorithms and debugging, and collaboration skills include teamwork, communication, and basic project management.